Hello, welcome to the demo of bird sound classifier. So last month we wrote a interesting blog post on our idea about classifying bird sounds using Arduino Nano 33 BLE and Edge Impulse. And a lot of people picked it up, mainly Arduino wrote a blog about it, Edge Impulse retweeted, Adafruit also wrote a blog, and Hackaday also wrote a blog. So after that, our team, me and my team, have been hard at work improving it constantly. So today we are coming to you with the new bird sound classifier. So the improvements, what we have done is we can send the data over BLE and show it to you in real time on a web browser. This is possible because of WebBLE, and not only that, we have made a completely a new Arduino library which you can just directly download and integrate so that you can send the data over BLE. No hassle of learning BLE or coding it by yourself. We have already done that. So if you want to just take a look at the demo and test out our model, you can head over to our GitHub page, that is, and check the releases tab, that is Dogmaster 7 slash bird sound classifier on the edge, and the latest release is 1.0.0, and by the time this video comes out we'll be releasing 1.0.1 or 1.1, like depends. Okay, so the last library which we tested had 94% accuracy, but the latest library which I am demoing right now has 97% accuracy on Edge Impulse as well as Nano 33 BLE. So without further ado, let's get started with the demo. To get started, you need to plug your BLE into a power source. So in this case, I'll be plugging this BLE to my laptop USB power. That is more than enough to power it. Okay, so I'll just power it, and yes, that's the sound of BLE getting connected from my laptop. And I can just click on Start BLE and it will show all the available compatible devices. So here I have named my BLE as Bird Listener 9000. So it's the homage for it's over 9000. So I'll click on it and click on pair. So a bit of warning, if your laptop or your phone isn't compatible with Bluetooth 5.0 or BLE in general, this thing won't be there, and you'll get a message saying that your browser is not compatible with WebBLE. So if that's the case, fear not. You just need to ask your friend's phone who is using latest Android or Samsung phone released like 2019 or 2020 that might have the latest BLE drivers and the device. Okay, I'll click on pair and it will show you connecting to GAT server, getting service. But yeah, so even if I speak now, it will classify it as a bird because yes, my voice frequency and greater Kukala are same. Not humble brag, but yeah. So I'll just stop it right now and in the demo we just showed you 3 birds currently, and you can test out the rest on your own. And for further information, you can just come over to our GitHub. We update this whenever we have new models or new innovations in recording or anything like that. So currently we are constantly working on storing the audio and classify data on a SD card locally, making our BLE website, that is Edge Web BLE, to work in an offline mode using PWA. Not only that, our team is also working on making other birds models as well. So we are constantly improving on it, constantly revising it. So you can be a part of this. So come over to our GitHub and help us improve this model. So thank you.